Who doesn't love flowers? They're perfect for every occasion. Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, National I Love My Feet Day, August 17th. Whether it's for someone's hands or your toes, let's make a budget-friendly flower arrangement. You're gonna need 4 types of flowers. Number 1, your base.
I'm all about that bass,
AKA your greenery. 2, your big flowers, your focal point, your star quarterback. 3, your medium flowers. They're like your 2nd string quarterback. Not as great, but good to have. And number 4, your small flowers are like fillers. They're to plump and not to be seen. Yes, I just made a football and plastic surgery joke back to back. Welcome to my channel. And no, I don't have fillers. I like my crow's feet, thank you very much. I got all these flowers at Trader Joe's for $23, and I'm making 2 flower arrangements. That's $11.50 a piece. You'll see I'm going for a monochromatic look, which is just a pretentious way of saying one color and a lot of shades. 50 Shades of Grey was so monochromatic. If you're going for more than one color, I'd recommend a few complementary colors, unless it's National Crayon Day, March 31st. First things first, when you get home with your flowers, you're gonna cut the ends at an angle and put them in water, because we don't need dead flowers. You're also gonna need scissors or shears, tape, and a vase. Or is it vase? No, it's vase. Like the good old Wisconsin girl I am. Now, before you go buying a vase, I'm convinced you can find one at home. Think outside the box and inside your kitchen. A mason jar, a pitcher, an empty bottle of wine, a candle holder, a coffee pot, an Instapot, a toaster. Just unplug it first. Now, I have no shortage of vases, so I will gladly regift these. To start, you're going to tape a grid along the top of your vase to help space out your flowers. Then you're gonna fill your vase with water. Filtered, of course. So we're gonna start by crisscrossing the base and the vase. So for my base, I went with 2 different types of eucalyptus, or is it eucalypti? So I'm just gonna start cutting what I think is gonna be the right height, knowing that I can always adjust along the way. So you'll see I'm just crisscrossing the pieces in here. It's totally okay for pieces to hang over. In general, embrace an asymmetrical look. Maybe there are higher pieces in the back, for example. You can test out different heights and cut along the way. I'm going for about 1.5 times the height of the vase. Bases are loaded. All right, it's time for our big flower, our star quarterback. Roses are red, violets are blue. Aaron Rodgers, I love you. It's recommended to remove any thorns or leaves below the waterline. Something about bacteria, blah, 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 just do it. Pro tip, I read you can fluff your flower by spinning it upside down. Don't worry, I put Dramamine in your water. So I'm gonna insert this in little bunches. So maybe 1 to start, 2 at a time in the back. So I have approximately where I want them to be, but I don't like how they're the same height, so I'm gonna cut some of the front ones, just a little at a time. So a lot of this is trial and error where I'm putting it in and I'm like, nope, that's not gonna look good on Instagram. And so I just move it around. All right, medium flower time. These are mini carnations, or at least I think they are. And these are really accents, so they can just be put in 1 at a time randomly. Lastly, you're gonna grab your small flowers. In my case, St. John's Wort. Now that sounds like something you wouldn't wanna get on Valentine's Day. Now I'm just taking a step back to look at the big picture to make some adjustments. And so far it looks like it was made with love. That's code for it looks homemade. But I'm gonna make some adjustments and see if I can make it look a little more professional. It just has a few holes, so I'm going to put in a little bit more of the greenery. I'm not mad at it. I mean, that looks like at least double-digit likes on Instagram. I'd say it looks like a professional amateur assembled these. As you can see, I have plenty left over for my 2nd flower arrangement, which is a good thing for my mom because this one's going to her. Grandma's getting this one because you get first dibs when you're 90.
I'm all about that bass, no.